Hi everyone, I'm Devin. I'm back with another video. Basically what I'm going to be going over in this video is basically beginning of the week market outlook. Basically what I'm looking at starting the week, and then I'm going to also do another video in the middle of the week on Wednesday and also on Friday. So look out for that. But today I'm just going to get into the charts and basically explain exactly what I'm looking at and kind of go over what happened last week when I did my other market outlook video. So last week, I'm going to start with the Dow. Last week I actually showed this chart and I showed that the market had broke this trend line and it come back for a retest, and then it can either go down and fake us out or it can go back up. So it looks like last week the Dow took the route of going higher, so that was pretty good if you were able to take advantage of that as well. What can possibly happen now is we can possibly see this go all the way to our highs, maybe to the 26,600 area, basically to retest the highs of the Dow. And that's pretty much what we could look for, and it could possibly get to that area in the next few days or weeks if the market continues to be strong. Now, as far as currencies, last week I also went over what I was expecting to happen last week for this trend line here particularly, and it did break it, and then I explained that we could possibly get in at a lower area. So that lower area could have been this area that I'm going to kind of pinpoint right here. This area was our lower area because last week when I explained it, it was more in this high area, and then it came back, retraced, and it made this low. And we could have possibly got in on this area, on this trend line right here. If you got in, that was awesome. Now we're kind of right here, and it kind of seems as if it's a little indecisive as of today on Monday. It's not really have a direction yet. You can kind of tell by the candlestick. It's kind of just choppy. It's going up and then it goes down and it comes back. So it's a little indecisive on which direction it can go. So possibly over the next few days, we can probably see this thing either go down to retest our trend line, or it can possibly continue to go up to the high of our channel. So let me kind of annotate that. So it can either go here to retest our trend line, and then possibly go higher, or it can continue to go down, or from today it can possibly just go ahead and make another high basically and retest these highs here. So that's what we could look at. And then again, like I explained last week, that using this we can use to find different opportunities on the euro. So if the market does continue to if the market does retrace on the dollar index, we could possibly see it go towards this trend line right here. We could possibly look for an area to get in on this trend line because it can definitely pop up to maybe 114.50 if it does retrace that and retest that trend line. Or if it continues to just fall, you can see that there's a trend line that I drew right here, and it can just go even lower to possibly even the 112 area. And that's what we could look for in the euro. And then the yen is more of on a uptrend. So right here, so it was a little indecisive last week on Friday on which direction it wanted to go. And this week, or today, beginning of the week, it's kind of moving up. We can see it move even higher to probably the 111 area. But if it does fall, it can definitely go back to retest these areas right here of consolidation, which is around the 109.70 area. So that's just a few things to look at. That's pretty much what I'm looking at, is to possibly find some different plays based on the dollar index again, and just basically trying to figure out where I can use that to find entries on the other currency pairs. And as far as the Dow, like I said, we can possibly see that go even higher. But I wouldn't be surprised if maybe one day we see a retracement. So you can't really think every day is going to be a green day for the Dow, but I do definitely see it possibly going back up to the 26,600 area pretty soon. So that's pretty much it for this video and what I'm looking at starting the week. Like again, I did say I'm going to do another one on Wednesday, basically explaining what happened during the week, and then on Friday what happened at the end of the week, to basically see, okay, were we right or were we wrong this week, and where we could have improved that, If you like the video, go ahead and like and comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and you guys have a great day and happy trading.